Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, of course, I'm gonna make a video. I want to try to make a video every single day for you, and it's another freaking daily update on the portfolio road to 100K. And today was basically a very boring day in the market. Um, I've just been holding most of my positions. I'm not planning on selling, so this basically is gonna be very boring. But that's what it is in the long-term investing game. All you do is just buy and then you just hold it, and then if the stock goes down, then if you have money, hopefully you'll be able to buy some on discount. But that's how it is. You have to have lots of patience in this game, and I'm telling you guys, in the stock market, you guys have to hold, man, because remember, time in the market is better than timing the market in the long term. It's better just to hold on to your positions and slowly add over time instead of just trying to buy and sell at the highest points, because sometimes you can't time it correctly and it's going to be bad for you. It's just better if you just hold on to your positions. And for me, we actually finally, today, since it was a green day a little bit by about 14%, we ended the day over 34,000 for the first time in a long time. And finally, we were up in the green. We're still quite a ways away from all-time highs of February 19th of 2020, about last year, before the pandemic and basically the 30% crash in the market. But we're making our way back to that. And once we do, I'm going to be happy because we'll basically be up over 150% all time, 160% maybe, 170%. But here's a look at my positions, all long-term positions. Neo, you see 2023 expiration date. Let's look at my total return. I'm up $798. My Afria, my $10 call, 2023 expiration date up $700. Dropbox, $25 call, expiration 2023, up 245. Neo, I got my 200 shares. Don't even look at the price, honestly. All these are long-term holds. Don't even look at the price. If you are looking at the price, no, who cares about the price, what the price is today, right? We care about what the price is in a few years from now. We care about what the price is going to be in 2024, 2025. Neo, whatever, if it's 40 bucks right now, 50, 60, 70, doesn't matter. Long term, we want this baby to be 300, 400, 500, and we want these shares not to be 200. We want the shares to be 300, 400, 500 shares. All right. And right now, maybe the market is overvalued, right? And there's not that much stuff to buy. One way I would be doing it if I had the cash on the side. See, Neo, $56. And if you think this is a good price to buy, you buy it, right? If you don't think it's a good price, what is a good price for you to buy? 50 bucks, 40 bucks? Let's look at this. You start selling some put options and see if you can get it on a discount if you have money on the side, right? For 50 bucks, for $5,000, you get 100 shares at 5,000 and you get the 20 bucks premium. And that's how you slowly build your portfolio over time. And right now, whatever, $22, but let's look at a month out. For 50 bucks, how much is it? $243. If you have money on the side, why not just do it, right? If you love Neo and if you think a $6 discount, whatever it is right now, is a good deal, and you're willing to pay the 100 shares to get a discount and to get the $243 that month, do it. And if it doesn't even go below 50 bucks, you know what? Whatever. You get to keep the $243. That's a cool 200 bucks a month that you're making from the $5,000. That's way better than just keeping that money in the bank, right? Interest rates right now, your bank's not going to give you anything. $5,000, you're lucky to get not even a dollar a year from that. That's why we're in the long-term game. And that's why that's a strategy to use. If you have lots of cash, don't just keep it on the side. Start selling some freaking put options. And remember, I'm no financial advisor. That's just something that I would do. You see a stock, you see Afria, you see Afria right now, it's at $16. What is it? You want a 30% discount? Get it at 12 bucks. Let's look at the months out, $12 or 13 bucks. You get 76 bucks for 1,300. That's beautiful. For say you have 13,000 and you are on the side, that's 760 bucks per freaking month that you could be making. That's beautiful. Same thing with any other stock, as long as you have the capital for it. May be too expensive, but I think Afria, I was telling everyone to do this when Afria was at $9, and I thought $9 was expensive. I was looking at Afria when it was $5, and that was a beautiful deal. You could have been making so much from the monthly premiums. And all these stocks right here, Afria, who cares, 16, whatever, $25 stock in the future. I was thinking it's gonna hit 20 bucks this year easily, in my opinion, if it just keeps running how it is right now. Jumia, I will not be surprised if this baby hits 300. Not this year, but I will be surprised. I mean, I won't be surprised, sorry. I won't be surprised if it hits $300. And then we see Corsair Gaming. This is another one that I feel like it can be eventually passing up Logitech. Or not passing up. Will eventually be where Logitech is right now. Logitech will be another monster eventually. This one, market cap 4 billion. Eventually, we'll hit 10 billion plus market cap. So that's a double up. Come on. Shopify, we already know about Shopify. I tell you guys all the time, Shopify will be a $10,000 stock. I'm telling you, in the long term, will be a $10,000. The only thing that I saw today that was a pretty good discount was MP Materials. At 31 bucks, you could have got a nice deal. Other than that, that was the only one that I seen today was a good deal. Tesla stock, $1,000 plus stock, I'm telling you. All these stocks, I already have my price predictions, all right? Make sure you guys stack your cash and be ready for those discount days. And if you have lots of cash already, why not try selling some calls? You get some money on the side to build out your cash even more. And then it starts compounding more and more and more. That's the plan if you have cash. Say if I had no margin, I would be doing that right now with Neo. I would be doing that with Afria. I would be making $1,000 a month just because I had so much cash on the side. And eventually, I will get there if the markets just keep going up. Because you know what? If the markets keep going up, it's going to get less and less of a discount. And whenever the crash does happen or a correction happen, it's going to be way bigger. The more the bull market goes up, the bigger the crash. This is just my opinion, okay? Hopefully you guys did good this week, because this week I did pretty good, $4,000. That's pretty good. And if it keeps going like this, I might hit 50K now by the end of the year, by summer, honestly. I haven't even deposited anything. And this month I started about, I took a screenshot of when I started this month. I think it was this one. Right here, this price. This is the price where I started out this month, and now I'm a whole $12,000, almost almost $12,000 higher than I was last year. So as long as the markets keep going up, then the more I'm gonna stack my cash.